Hi, ChainSaw 124 is out, fan translation is ready. So I usually read Chainsaw immediately after it comes out. Instead, this time I wanted to try to read it in front of the camera for trying to do a reaction. I haven't yet read it. Here on the screen you can see the left panel from 123. I decided to begin like this for remembering what is happening. I called this demon Vertigo. Why not? And making prediction is kind of useful. It's not very useful because Fujimoto is always chaotic. It's always hard to prevent to imagine what he's imagining. This is the weapon that is completely lost. So scared without a weapon, without war, because war when it is scared, problem. And if she fall, she go directly in hell because we have see door of hell opening in the sky. Prediction: Chainsaw can be arrive, or maybe the guy with the with the pulp demon. In Italian, we have a way to say chi vivrà vedrà. Who will live will see. So let's begin. Before starting, I should say something about copyright, about right of the author, but with an author like Fujimoto, that I don't think that piracy is a big problem from here. With all the money that came from the anime, came from the success of regular selling books and manga. I don't do the voices. I just say my thinking. Repeat after me. Using pain for snap out of fear. Ah, okay. Ah, like like Trigun. Focus on pain, so the hypnosis doesn't work. Uh, night trick. And we just see the knife. It's kind of artistic. The the shape. I don't remember how it is called. These pieces that separate the blade from the hand. Anyway. Trauma, gravity, moon, suicide, falling. The trauma is kicking in, so she repeats the pain. Thinking about the pain, thinking about the pain. No, it's not working. It's not working anymore. Oh, it's working. Ah, up and down again. What the fuck is happening? You're afraid of me? Oh, fuck. There is no harmony. There is no harmony. She is upside down because she is the protagonist, so she's the focus of the story, so she appears upside down. And upside down and everything because she is the focus of this panel. This is pain to me. This is really pain. Really? Okay, this is bad. This is really bad situation. Everybody's dying. Ah, okay, they are already on the way. Try to kill her. Supposing what the fuck is this? Okay, so they go through the door, and through the door. Ah, okay, this is a pocket dimension. Ah, okay, I was imagining it was hell. Instead, it's a pocket dimension with this with this big demon. Okay, I was thought it was the sand. Saurian. Oh, okay, then it's Saurian. Okay, okay, Saurian. It was so beautiful that you don't see that it was Saurian. Right now, I noticed that this door are really doing this door are really great with all this detail. I really think he is using real world imagine and then paint on it. Yeah, poor this man. It's like how is called that movie in English? In Italian we have translated with Arancia Meccanica. I don't know how to translate it into English, but there is a scene where the protagonists have this body torches. They are torching him so they can close their eyes. Then it's also cut them out, and probably this position is very painful, so he can even move his body. Okay. So instead, this is another chapter of just preparation. Then maybe the next chapter is a fight. This is we have two chapters for presenting the demon and for explaining the reaction of the protagonist to this demon. And then maybe we have a chapter for explain for the fight, or maybe even two chapters if the fight is very long. Okay, this is the first time I do a ChainSaw Man chapter reaction. I don't know if this thing will go on. It depends on how many views I do. For example, Main Abyss 64 is making a lot of views, so it depends. Thanks for your attention.